How to fix BMCE app not working. So if the BMCE Direct mobile banking application isn't working, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you can try to do is check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the BMCE Direct app on Android, long press the BMCE Direct app icon, tap this I button to come to app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and you can also clear the data, which will log you out of your account, by the way. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and simply search for the BMCE Direct application. And once you went ahead and searched for it, make sure it is updated to the latest version. You can also try to restart your device to see if that helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.